Question 1. Rose bought 6 juices and 4 burgers and paid $18. The price of a burger is thrice the price of a juice. So find the price of 12 burgers. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is write this sentence, which is let B represent the price of a burger and let J represent the price of a juice. So let's write out our very first line, which is 6 juices and 4 burgers is equals to $18. So 6J plus 4B equals to 18. So this is our first equation. And now a second equation, which is the price of a burger is thrice of a juice. So we have 1 burger is equals to the price of 3 juice, so 3J. So this is our second equation. Okay, so if we want to find the price of 12 burgers, we need to find a way to eliminate juice from the equation. So we realize that over here we have 3 juice equals to 1B. So let's put them on the same side, 3J equals to 1B. If you want to eliminate 6J from equation 1, we have to find a way to make 3J into 6J. So in order for 3J to become 6J, we need to multiply it by 2. So if we multiply 2 on the left-hand side, we need to multiply 2 on the right-hand side. So 1B times 2 gives us 2B. Okay, so now that we know 6J equals to 2B, we can substitute this equation. So substitute equation 3 into equation 1, and we will get, so 6J equals to 2B, so 2B plus 4B equals to 18. So 6B equals to 18. So now we can find the price of 1B. So 1B equals to 18 divided by 6, which gives us 3. So the price of 12 burgers would be 12B. So this is equals to 12 times 3, and this gives us $36. And that is your final answer.